How to create X account on iPhone. So first of all, open your application and then from here we'll get to see there are different options. If you want to connect your X account with your Google account or Apple account, you can tap on them. Or if you want to continue with your phone number, you can tap on continue with phone number. Here we also have the option of email. So for now, I'm going to go with the email, tap on it. Then from here, we're going to now select our birthday. After selecting your birthday, tap on continue. And then in here, you'll have to now enter your email address. After doing that, tap on continue one more time. Now here, you'll have to enter a code that will be sent to your email just like this. Here you can see I have opened my mail inbox and this is the code. Simply copy this code and then go back and paste that. Now, after doing that here, you have to write your name. Then tap on continue. Now in here, you'll have to give yourself a username. For that, here you can write your own or you can select one of the given username. For now, I'm going to go with this one and then tap on continue. Now here, you'll have to create yourself strong password for your X account. After creating yourself strong password, tap on continue. And then in here, you can now create yourself a passkey if you want to, or you can simply skip this process, tap on skip and continue. Now in here, tap on continue one more time. And if you want your contact to get access of your X account, tap on continue or tap on don't allow. Then after doing that here, if you want to upload yourself a profile picture, do so, or else you can skip this part for now. Then after doing that, you can now pick your interest. For example, I'm going to pick news, politics, and technology. Then tap on continue. Now you can choose to follow the top poster of your selected interest. In here, I'm going to follow these big tech CEOs just like this. Then you can tap on continue. Now in here, you can see this pop-up will show up. If you want to buy the premium of X, you can do so, or else you can simply tap on cross and simply remove this. And just like this, here you can see we have successfully created our X account on our iPhone. If you simply tap on this profile icon right here, you can see this is our profile, this is our username and name, and that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.